is Tim from Your 6 Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to scan for digital or antenna channels or even cable channels on your TCL TV. So just press settings and go to settings right here. And I got a Google TV version. And then I want to go to where it says channels and inputs. Go to channels. And then go to where it says channel scan right here. So you can also enable this feature. It says allow you to pause or rewind when watching digital channels by inserting USB. Insert a USB stick, and then you can use that as like a little storage device to watch and scan channels. And then go to channel scan, choose your country, and then go to your area, maybe your state or something, and then go on over to scan automatically right here. And then it's going to bring up tuner mode, cable, analog, digital. So we can just go to digital and analog, and then I'm just going to choose antenna. Or if you got cable connected, you can do that too. And then I'm going to go to search. And anything I have in my area, I should be able to detect. Now I don't have an antenna or cable, I just use YouTube. So nothing's going to be picked up, but if you got those connected right here, you should be able to pick it up and then connect to them and start watching right away. As soon as you go to finish, it's going to go to that annoying buzzy screen. And then we can go back to settings right here, channels and inputs, and we can look and edit the channels under here. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech out videos coming up next on Your 6 Studios.